Today's the day we get the motorhome out of storage. Time to send it. Alright, let's see if she starts. First start of the season. Damn Chevy. Oh, we got life. We have light. Stay running, old girl. I think I can get out there now. Okay. I thought we were a little tight. I thought we were a little tight. There we go. So what's going on with this project? Well, it's a threefold project. We're doing all the mechanical to make it right for the road. We're going to get all the cosmetics on the outside sorted out. We're going to get a new coat of paint and some new tires on it. And on the inside, we're doing basically a remodel. So what do we have here today? It's a Malibu Classic. Why are we bringing this in? Well, we're not bringing it in because it don't roll. It's going in the fleury. 502. This motor, it works dynamite, but we're going to switch it out. And what we're going to do is put a 502 big block Chevy in it. That motor was dynoed about 20 years ago. It made 600 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque. And if you don't know what torque is, so right about now, you might be wondering, what the fuck is torque? Well, this guy's going to tell you. Don't ever say that I didn't tell you anything. Torque 101. What is the definition of torque? A twisting force that causes rotation. So let me explain this to you in a term that all living, breathing males can understand. And the women that put up with us will certainly understand this. So you have this big head. You have this little head. Let's say you have this thing right here. Some of you might know as a toilet. So put this in perspective. You're up all night, you had that 24 beer, it's gone, you went to bed and you wake up in the morning and you got that morning wood. So the unit that's going to be applying the torque is right here. So when you got that morning ranger, the torque is right up here. So when you're trying to get what's in here down here, that generally don't work. The wife gets pretty pissy at you when you piss all over the toilet in the back seat. And if your wife's anything like mine, she don't hear the phone ringing, but she can hear a drop of piss going on the floor. But anyways, that's another matter. So you're going to take this machine here, which is your arm, and you're going to push down on this, and you're going to try to get it to point towards the toilet. Now that ain't gonna work, not until this big head comes into line where the old big head was, right? So that rotating force to get that unit pointed at the toilet is causing torque. Understand? And that rotation is a measure of torque. Hello boys and girls, I just want to do a shout out. This is for the maintenance man. Now he's got a great tool channel. He does lots of tool testing. He puts these tools to the test, man, and it's not the expensive tools. He puts everything to the test. So I just want to give a big huge shout out to the maintenance man. Just reached 100 subscribers, and I want to tell you congratulations, brother. And go check his channel out. It's awesome. Tell him who sent you. Don't be cheap when you're there either. Leave a like. The maintenance man got a nice tool giveaway on, so don't forget to go over and check that out. Stay tuned for the next episode where we haul that 502 out of its bridges and we do a diagnosis repair to see what happened to it in the first place. So that motor hasn't run since 1999. We're going to take it apart and find out what happened, so stay tuned. That's going to be interesting. So you might be asking yourself right about now, what the fuck is torque? Leave a like, you cheap bastards.